solo on that beat.
Love mama, party girl, she just wanna be with me. I just don't wanna say nothing. I just wanna pull up on her pocket, spade in the taking all this money, make sure that fucking better lock. Running in your block, we running on your block. Pull up with the cops, we live, we look, we stay. If a boy play with me, I'ma have to knock his cap off, back off, man. You ain't even cap off. I ain't even gonna cap up, I ain't even scared. Pull up with the Glock and I'ma end it, don't fucking head. If a nigga play me, babe, I promise I'ma leave him dead. I ain't even gonna cap up, pull up with that Glock, man. What you gon' do? Pull up with that Glock and I'ma promise I'ma shoot. If a boy play with me, I'ma have to spin his block. If a boy try to play with me, I'll run the car. Hold away, we jump in your fin. Yeah, we running right up in your shit. If you try to talk shit, we diving in. And I ain't gonna cap, but I'm really with it. Bumping the beat, making the money, get hit in the street. Little nigga, you don't want no beat. I got all the gifts to eat. Play with me, I'm on the hook. Hit him with a skull, hit him with a roll. I'm throwing up the fault, you already know. And I don't even care, I pull up with the Glock. We ain't be hit your head, but you ain't really tough. Man, you won't really bluff. And I ain't even gon' cap, I'm really bout that. I'm really bout that. Man, what you gonna do? Man, you can't do nothing, cause you lookin' like a fool. And you ain't really lit. Pull up with the sticks, and then let baby hit. And if you try to play with me, little bitch, you can't get hit. Hold on, wait up. Man, making all this money, pull up, making my paper. Hold on, wait. I'm counting stacks, I'm counting racks. Little bitch, you always about cash. Alright, let me redo this one. Alright. Look. Look back on a party girl, she just wanna be with me, and I just don't wanna say.